Do you know about red shoes? Many new riders may have a question, wouldn't it be dangerous when wearing red shoes? Because they couldn't take their feet off when falling. In this video, let's learn more about red shoes. 1. The difference between red shoes and general sports shoes. The main difference between red shoes and general sports shoes is the hardness and design of the bottom part of the shoes. The soles of general sports shoes are usually soft and flexible, which makes them suitable for exercise, such as jogging and running. However, this soft sole will absorb force while riding, which makes pedaling more strenuous. In comparison, the soles of red shoes are harder and stronger. Red shoes can better transfer power from your legs to the back. It makes pedaling more efficient, saves your energy, and reduces fatigue. In addition, red shoes are also equipped with self-locking pedals, which prevent the feet from slipping while riding, and at the same time can help you maintain a more stable posture. Generally speaking, if you are only doing some light cycling activities, general sports shoes will be enough. However, if you plan to have a long ride or train for races, the red shoes will be a better choice. Types of red shoes. 1. Road shoes. The road shoe soles usually have 3 holes and are matched with Look, SPDSL, Speedway, and other road back cleats. The soles of road shoes are stiff, and after installing the locking cleats, the toe caps are raised, which makes walking uncomfortable. The shoe shape is professional, but they are not suitable for daily wear. 2. Mountain shoes. The soles of mountain shoes are like mountain bike tires, which are very comfortable. It generally has 4 holes and is suitable for mountain pedals. The soles have recessed cleats to make them easier to walk and use in the wild, and the cleats are made of metal for a longer lifespan. 3. Unlock shoes. The style of unlock shoes is the same as that of red shoes, but there is no place for installing back cleats on the soles. Unlocked shoes are more suitable for riding in urban areas. Your feet are locked when wearing red shoes. If you are not familiar with using them, you may fall at 0 speed. How to avoid 0 speed falls? 1. Regularly maintain the bike. Ensure that the bicycle will not suddenly break down while riding. 2. Pay attention to the surrounding environment. Slow down and keep your body stable in complex environments such as wetlands and sand. 3. Keep your bike balanced. Be careful to slow down when braking. If you brake suddenly, your bike will easily lose balance. You can pre-unlock before braking and keep your hands on the handlebars to prevent losing balance. 4. Repeat the locking and unlocking movements to form muscle memory. 5. Unlock both feet at the same time. You can unlock it on both sides, which can effectively avoid falls. When we fall at 0 speed, we must not use our hands to support. It's very dangerous. We can fall to one side and hit the ground with our back first. Please note that we must wear a helmet when riding with red shoes in order to protect ourselves. If you have any other stories or questions, leave a message for discussion. We are looking forward to interacting with you all.